Welcome and congratulations for being here. If you're watching this, you already know something's changing in real estate. The referrals are slowing down. Cold calling feels like running uphill. And meanwhile, the top agents, the ones closing multi-million-dollar deals, seem to have cracked a code you don't have access to. It's not because they're smarter, it's not because they're luckier, they're playing an entirely different game. And that's exactly why on October 29th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're hosting a live session called The Agent Survival Guide for Thriving in Real Estate's Digital Era. Now, let me tell you why this matters. We spent the last 15 years helping agents, teams, and developers across the US sell billions of dollars in real estate. We've run more than $450 million in advertising on Google and Meta. And we've built marketing systems that have generated hundreds of thousands of leads. Not empty leads, but high quality buyers who actually close. This isn't theory. This is the same system behind the agents and brokerages you already recognize in the industry. And for the first time, we're pulling back the curtain to show you step by step how it works. Here's the reality. Most agents are stuck using outdated tactics. They buy leads from portals that resell the same name to 10 different people. They spend money on postcards or Zillow ads that don't give them control. They get a pretty website that looks nice, but doesn't generate a single lead. And the worst part, they don't even know which part of their marketing is working and which part is wasting money. That ends here, because you understand how to build a true digital business. You'll never go back. In this webinar, you're going to walk away with more value than you could ever learn in a classroom or coaching program. Here's what you'll discover: how the market is shifting and the exact trends reshaping how buyers and sellers behave today. What separates top producers, the difference between agents closing $500,000 in commission a year and those who struggle to close a single deal. The digital ecosystem, how to connect ads, website, CRM, and automate so your business runs 24/7 even when you're not there. The power of tracking ROI, why most agents are blind to the numbers, and how to finally see in black and white what's bringing in money. Live case studies. You'll see exactly how agents who started just like you scale to millions in sales using this exact system. And let me be clear, this isn't a motivational talk. This is a roadmap you can apply immediately. You know what's happening right now? The agents who adapt are separating themselves from the ones who don't. Digital-first competitors are capturing the market share you're leaving behind. And every month you wait is another month your competition is getting ahead of you. The webinar is your chance to stop guessing, stop patching things together, and finally understand how to build a predictable, scalable, digital-first business. So here's what to do. Register right now, drop your name, email, and phone number, and block off October 29th at 1 p.m. in your calendar. And commit to showing up live, because in this session, you're not just learning how to survive in today's market. You're going to learn how to thrive, dominate, and future-proof your career in real estate. The agents who attend this webinar will walk away with the strategies that will define the next 5 years of this industry. The only question is, are you going to be one of them? Click below, reserve your seat, and I'll see you live.